Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to solve the question hash tables ransom note. This is a question from interview preparation kit on HackerRank, and this question focuses on dictionaries and hash maps. So let's get started. Harold is a kidnapper who wrote a ransom note, but now he is worried it will be traced back to him through his handwriting. He found a magazine and wants to know if he can cut out whole words from it and use them to create an untraceable replica of his ransom note. The words in his note are case sensitive, and he must use only whole words available in the magazine. He cannot use substrings or concatenation to create the words he needs. Given the words in the magazine and the words in the ransom note, print yes if he can replicate his ransom note exactly using whole words from the magazine, otherwise print no. So in this example, they've given magazine has the words attack at dawn and the note is attack at dawn. Since there is a case mismatch and attack A needs to be capital, so the answer is no. So since it's case sensitive, you don't have to check for lower or uppercase. So this is a function description question where we have to create a function called check magazine, which has magazine and note as its input parameters, which are lists of strings. Okay, so since this is a dictionary and hash map question, I generally use collections library and I use the counter function when I need to count words, because in this question in particular we need to see if the number of words that are present in magazine are equal or more than the number of words required in the note. Since we can't use concatenated strings, the entire word should be present in both the places, otherwise it's a straight no. So I'm going to import counter from collections. So counter is a function which directly counts all the repetition elements in a list, and using counter makes it easier to code. Otherwise we can use a for loop and run through the entire list and then keep adding if the same word appears again. So now let's start with this function check magazine. Let's create two dictionaries first for magazine and note. So I'll create mag. So this is how you initialize a dictionary. And now in mag, I will count all the occurrences of all the words that are present there. Mag equal to counter magazine. That's how simple using counter function is. And same for notes. Counter note. And now since we have used counter function, we can subtract the count of all the words from other counter dictionaries. So here we'll create a variable called result, which is notes minus mag. So it's going to subtract all the occurrences which are present in mag from the occurrences in notes. And if the word doesn't exist in notes, then we'll just ignore that in magazine. Now that we have result, finally we return the answer, which is if result is empty. If result is empty, then print yes, else print no. So over here instead of else I use return, because if it prints yes, then anyways it's not going to execute this line over here. So now we're done with this code. Let's just check if there are any errors. I don't think so. Let's try running this. Okay, it runs right. Now let's just submit and see if all the test cases are working. Mostly they should. Yeah. Okay, great. If you like this explanation, then do like my video, and you can drop in the comments what you think I should make videos on, or if you have any specific questions that you want me to make them on, then you can comment down below and I'll make one on that as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.